If you need something custom, call Neicey Custom, she gon' get it done. Like and subscribe, you gon' have fun.
With Studios to do sublimation items. If you're new to the channel, watch the whole video. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like button, and notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I know it's been a long time. But first, I'm going to just show you the basics, how to do a basic design in Silhouette Studios. I'm going to show you where to go, how to get files, and everything. We have our blank canvas right here. And notice on the page setup, I have the machine as none, the cutting mat none, and I have my paper size is 8.5 by 11. Okay. Sorry about that. That was my son. Okay. As I said, that we have our canvas right here, and I have my page set up. The machine is none, the cutting mat is none, and the media size is an 8.5 by 16 paper. That's the paper that we're going to use. To either use on a tumbler, any kind of sublimation product that you're using, or if you're going to do the larger format, you're going to come over here. You're going to change your width to 13. And the height, you're going to change it to 19. Okay. And you see how the paper size just got bigger? That's how you change the paper size. So you go back to custom and you change it. I'm going to go ahead and change it back to 8.5 by 11. Okay. Depending on what type of shirt you're going to do, since it's sublimation, you're going to use a white canvas, or if you're going to use the sublimation HTV, and you're going to put it on a red shirt, a black shirt, or whatever, and you want to see how your design is going to look on that color shirt, you can come over here to the media color, and you can change your canvas to the color that the shirt that you're designing. Okay, I'm going to go back to white, and down here is the rotate view, but we're not going to use that right now. And to show the print border, the print border is right here. You want to be within that print border, so when you print on your sublimation paper, everything will be fine inside that border. Okay. And just say, for instance, you want to cut your sublimation. Well, we'll get back there. That's another video. That's a whole new video in its own. But right now, I'm going to just show you how to do a quick design in Silhouette Studio for your sublimation product. Okay. Right now, I'm going to show you the basic design. You want to add text. You come over here to your text box, that where the A is. You're going to place your pointer right here on the canvas, and you can text Boss Babe or whatever. We're going to try Boss Babe. We're going to do Boss Babe today. You want to change your font color to another color instead of that white. So you want to go up here to your color panel, up here. Then you're going to pick the color that you want. We're going to get red. Well, you have to click your wording first until you get the height and the weight and stuff. You're going to click your font. Then you're going to come to your panel, your color panel, and you're going to hit red. I'm going to use red. Okay. You're going to have that. And say, for instance, you want to get a picture off of Google or Bing or whatever. Let me see if I can show you what I'm talking about. Let me move it over here. Okay. Let me see. What was my text? I'm going to show you how to get one. Boss Baby. Okay. You're going to put in Boss Baby PNG. Make sure you get that. Make sure you get a PNG transparent or just a plain PNG file. Okay? Once you do that, you're going to come over here and you want to grab one of these Boss Babies. Let me make it a little bigger for you so you can see real good. Okay? Usually when you get a transparent picture, a PNG file, PNG file, you're always going to see these blocks in the back of your photo. That means you have a transparent photo. So what we're going to do, we're going to right click. We're going to save image. All my image always go to download. Okay. We're going to go ahead and save it. You got to make sure that your save as type is PNG image. You make sure you do that. Make sure you do that. Then we're going to save it. And all my stuff always go to my download folder. Okay, once you got that, you're going to come to File, Merge. So you can get that photo. I have to wait until it downloads because it's not finished download. There it goes. And you're going to get that. It's going to upload, and there go your Boss Baby. As you can see, you got that file, transparent. You can move it to the side, see if it's transparent. Make sure it don't have no white background in the back. So this right here doesn't have a white background in the back, so you're good to go. Okay, this is just a basic design in Silhouette. Anybody can design anything. You just have to have the patience and to do what you do. Okay, and since we got Boss Baby right here, you want to make it, if you want to bring the Boss Baby up front, you just right click, hit bring the front, and voila, there it goes right there. Okay, and just say for instance you want Boss Baby to stand out, so you want to go over here to your open the offset panel, click that, click offset. Internal offset is going to be internal. So you're going to click offset and you will see it pop up. Then once you do that, you can make it bigger, smaller. Just go up and down with it. Okay. Once you do that, you can change the color. Say I'm going to change it to, let me see. Go to your color panel up here. And I'm just picking a color. But you can do what, however you want to do it. I'm going to just get brown. I know it don't match, but I'm going to get brown. Once you got all that going, make sure you change your outline to the same color, brown. Okay. Once you do that, you want to move your Boss Baby to the side. You want to group all this together. You see what I did? I clicked up here and I just dragged it down so you can group everything together. Then you're going to right click and you're going to hit group. So when you move this Boss Baby, everything moves together. So you're going to bring your Boss Baby back over here. You can come down here. You can come, not library, but your design. If you want some kind of different background in the back or whatever, you can come over here to your open fill panel, your color, panel, and you can come here to your fill panels, panner. I cannot get it right today. Pattern, your fill pattern. And you can pick what fill pattern that you got, in there that you want to work with or whatever. I'm just picking one. It might don't match, but I'm just get something. I'm gonna try that color right here. So once you get that, you have to open up one of your shapes, your drawing tool, and I'm gonna get that. Okay, once you make your rectangle, your square, or whatever you want to do, you make sure you come over here and you hit this arrow button, your select button, because if you don't, check this out, you're gonna have all sorts of squares up in here. I'm sorry about that, y'all. You're gonna have all sorts of squares up in here, so you want to come over here and make sure you hit that select button after you hit your get your drawing tool. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete all this right here. Let's see, let me delete it and get it out of the way. Then you can come over, you can make it bigger, shorter, it don't matter. You can let it cover your whole panel or whatever. And then you'll probably say, oh man, hold up. It's in front of all my images. Like I say, right click, send it back. There it goes. Everything is together. And you can just move it around. Do what you do. Do it like that. You can put something else behind it. Let me see what I got in my design, my library. See if I got anything. My computer's acting all crazy today. Let me see. Sorry about that, y'all. Let me see, what can I put back there? Nothing really catch my, nothing's really catching my eyes or anything. You can get these hearts right here if you want to. Just when you see something that you like, just right click and hit merge. You can do that. You can change the color. Excuse me. Change the color to yellow. I'm just doing something. Change the color to yellow. You can make it bigger like that. Oh, I'm just showing you how you can just do a simple design in Silhouette Studio. You can right click. You can hit send back of layer. And if it doesn't come up, just go back to your screen, your panel, that pattern that you have, and just hitting the send it back, and there it goes. Okay. And you can do whatever you want to do on your design, how you want to put it. But that's it for today's video. A simple, basic design in Silhouette Studio for sublimation. That's it. I got the hiccups, guys. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment section. And that's it. I hope you liked the video. If you stayed through the whole video, go ahead and put a heart in the comment section. And make sure you hit that thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.
If you need something custom, call Neicey Custom, she gon' get it done. Like and subscribe, you gon' have fun.